Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have done this modeling over here for this camel over here, so let's continue it with a bit of, we'll just remove this. If you're giving a knob toggle over here, let's go into this free form and let's use a bit of relax over here. Let's increase the brush size over here and let's use the relax option over here. So now we need to relax it in the right manner to make it look much better. So let's again go back. Let's go back to the top view and you can still check this out. We can just push this a bit out, can push this inside, can push this outside, and definitely this part a bit more inside. So need to adjust it accordingly. So let's go to the foot part over here, that's your legs. So for the legs I'll just remove this part. So if not required, please remove the extra loop. So let's zoom it, select this part, just push it in this way. So select this, this and push it a bit out. So select this, now so we need to tweak it in such a way that it should look like a leg. So we need to tweak this properly and give a bit of a roundish look. So make sure you make it look round. So you really don't require any of the segments, you can easily delete those segments. Also we need a few segments over here, one segment over here. So now if you just make it knob toggle, you can see that. You can just switch back to this. So now for the tail part over here, so for the tail you can just select this, select this and this and push it inside. Oh, just undo it, sorry. So just push it more inside. So So let's go on selecting this over here and just push it inside. Select this and this and push it more inside this. So just adjust it. So need to adjust it accordingly. So push this. So we are just tweaking all this stuff to give it a proper look. So you can just so let's again go over here and let's use one loop over here, push it back. So select this, push it inside, push this up. Alright. So for the nostrils over here, let's come out of this mode over here, select the polygons. So for that we are going to use this 3 over here and just inset this. So don't inset it much, just inset a bit. Okay, and just extrude it and can just delete that. Alright, so save your file again over here. So again I will go into this, I'll put one loop over here also and make it to the this way. So it's very close. If you see the legs over here, very close. So we can just go over here, remove the nubs toggle, select the edge, scale it and just push it out, and let's use a bit of symmetry in this. Much better. So and this is perfect. So once you're done over here, again let's go into this and let's just push this up. select this, push this out, just push this out. That's it. So now what you need to do is, like, you can easily weld it. So you can just weld this stuff like so. Just come out of the nubs toggle over here and mirror and let's convert to editable poly. So save as this file first. So let's save as this. And let's go into this. Oh, it's welded. Perfect. So once you have done this, now let's go into this and give a modifier. Let's turbo smooth over here. Yeah, you can use a sphere for the eyeballs over here. So you can use the sphere for the eyeballs. So just push this up. So just mirror it in the x-axis and make a copy of it. So you can just give a black color to it. Alright, so you can just right click and hide the selection over here, and you can just make a cylinder at the bottom over here. Just give a color to it. Take a circle, push the circle up, press Ctrl C, that's your camera. Let's go into time configuration and let's give it as 500. So animation constraint, path constraint, and set it as a path constraint. That's it. So you can just switch back to this view and you can just rotate this with this animation. That's it. So still, if you want to make it more relaxed or smoothen up, you can do that. So if you just go over here, and if you see, you still need to work a bit on the relaxed stuff, so we can still tweak this stuff it is required. You can still tweak it, so you can just go into free form, relax all this stuff over here. Alright, so just adjust it. You can just select this and just adjust this stuff. So you can just switch back to this and you can use a bit of relaxing it. So tail has become very thin over here, so you can just reduce the size of it. You can alright. Okay, anyways, so can add few more details if required to the leg region. You can add few more details in the leg region part. Alright, so thanks for watching this tutorial.